Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a very simple mod which is going to save you guys a lot of cash. And this is the kickstand extender for your bike. The reason I'm doing it, last year it was a hot summer day and it was about 90 degrees outside, and I had my bike parked on my driveway, and like 10-15 minutes later I see the bike was caving into the driveway. The kickstand was like digging into the driveway asphalt, and so I'm glad that I saw it before the bike fell on the ground. And if it fell, I know it could get expensive, like getting scratched on the engine casing or fairing, or something would break. So to avoid that, what I decided to do is, especially on this bike, once I got it and I saw the kickstand, and it's this little tip is it's very skinny. So I'm like, you know what, this is gonna happen if it's either on my driveway, in my driveway, or somewhere else. So let's go ahead and get this done before it happens. So there is this kit at Amazon, I think $15 I bought it for, and it has like 3 Allen screws, and you just put these screws in, and it makes this kickstand wider, so it has very nice flat surface. So you should be able to, like, park it anywhere, maybe asphalt, gravel, or even on on the ground. You should be okay on the grass. So this I really recommend doing this upgrade to your motorcycle, whichever bike you guys have. And if you think you have a kickstand like Kawasaki Z900, might as well go for it. And I'm sure they make kits for every single bikes out there. So the step is very simple and easy. So you guys enjoy the video, please like, thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And let's enjoy and have fun. I will talk to you guys on next video.